It is quite simple and very easy for women to become rich because a woman can just be sport for simply looking beautiful, for simply being curvy or wearing the right dress that accentuates her curves. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel and share this video with your friends as well. Number one is hypergamy. We've seen women literally get married and their lives change because they married into a wealthy family, they married a wealthy man that is willing to spoil them and take care of them. So you get married and everything your husband owns automatically become yours. You have access to his cars, his money, his business. And if you're a smart woman, you would make sure to use and utilize the resources effectively. You will not just sit down and wait for him to keep handing every single thing to you. You will literally utilize the money to make yourself stable and to also cater to your financial needs, so that if that gets taken away from you in the future, if for example your husband goes bankrupt, you can now be able to come in, step in, and take care of the home and stand in the gap for him until he gets his feet back. Hypergamy is one of the easiest ways that women literally make money, where you marry a man that is rich. So pretty privilege works. Like, pretty privilege is so real. I've seen men just marry women for arm candy so that they can feel good about themselves when they go out to events. They just want to hear people say, "Oh, your wife is so pretty, your wife is so pretty," things like that. So that's number one way women make money. Number two is starting a business. Like I said earlier, pretty privilege works. I've literally seen instances where women start a business and they make a lot of money. But not just because we are pretty, but also because as women, we are nurturers. We give life to things, we create life, we nurture life. So that's a gift we have, it's our superpower. So whatever we lay our hands to do prosper, as long as we are consistent, we have a good strategy, and we are really hardworking. Now, pretty privilege also plays a huge role in business because I've seen women literally have their way just because they are beautiful, they look a certain way, they dress a certain way, and I've seen men go out of their way to patronize women selling things that they do not need. They literally have no need for these items. They either buy it for their female friends, their wives, their daughters, just because they want to put a smile on this seemingly hardworking, beautiful woman's face so her business can move forward. Number three is art and literature. As a woman in art and literature, that is an amazing way for you to make extra income. Like, you're going to become so huge if you're a woman that deals in art and literature. Look at the female superstars, for example, the Hollywood actresses, the American superstars. Look at how they make so much money because they are women. They are feminine, they are soft. They tend to appeal more to the general audience. In the Asian countries, like if you watch Korean movies or Asian dramas, you see that in the past, in Asian countries during the Joseon dynasty and all that, you see women where they go to entertain the kings or the high and mighty in the society by dancing, singing, just swaying themselves, literally doing so they're literally not doing anything fancy, just swaying themselves and dancing. And because of that similar act, they become privy to certain information and get certain privileges that other people will ordinarily not have, and then they also gain access to the high and mighty. So art and literature is another way where women become super successful, super rich, and make money if they use it very, very wisely. Number four on my list now is investment. How can I ever not talk about investment? As an investor girly myself, most of the money I make, my passive income, my wealth comes from investing. And statistically, women are better investors, women are better savers, women are better debt managers. So they manage debts better. And currently in the world, when it comes to homeowners, women are literally, the rate of women buying homes have tripled and surpassed men. And the amazing part, I'm talking about single women. In an era where it's become so difficult for a single person to have a home or to become a homeowner, women are smashing the records and becoming homeowners. That is a super amazing thing. Like I said, we are nurturers. We give life to everything. When it comes to art, imagine a beautiful woman that gives and nurturer giving life to art. That is how it also works with investment. I think that the most powerful person on earth is a woman that knows the power that she holds as a woman. It is so powerful, the things we do with our hands and how we multiply it. That is why you see they say, give a woman a house and she turns it into a home and make it bigger. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel and share this video with your friends as well. So guys, on the next video, we'll be talking about a lot more interesting topics, and trust me, you do not want to miss out on it. Bye guys.